Flu cases around the country are on the rise as doctors and other health officials are encouraging people to simply get their flu shots. Our Ethan Stam spoke to some doctors about what you can do to stay protected.
Temperatures are down and flu season has officially begun. With this being National Influenza Vaccination Week, medical experts are telling me why you should go out and get that shot.
When we say that everyone 6 months of age should get their flu shot, we mean everyone.
With flu season in full swing, many local doctors are hoping people take the correct precautions to fight the influenza virus.
The most important thing, whether you decide to get vaccinated or not, is to have a plan for not if, but when you get one of these viruses.
Georgia's Epidemiologist Office says the state's influenza-like illness, or ILI activity, is currently at a 10 on a scale of 1 to 13. This comes after the major uptick in the number of people suffering from the flu of late. Savannah's Candler Hospital has seen a 35% increase in flu cases in the last 2 weeks alone.
The reason why influenza gets so much attention is that you never really know whose card it's going to punch, so to speak, and you can get severe outcomes even in young, healthy people.
Dr. Nirav D. Shah of the CDC tells me it's important for people of all ages to get the vaccine, and the consequences that come with not doing so have proved to be fatal in years past.
In the years before the pandemic, about 300,000 to 400,000 people across the United States were hospitalized because of the flu, and nearly 30,000 people died every single year because of the flu. 30,000 people.
The longer you neglect these viruses, the longer your immune system doesn't see these viruses, the more of a response you get and the sicker you get when you get these viruses.
With growing skepticism surrounding vaccines since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, other medical professionals tell me we shouldn't let that affect how we approach this particular virus.
The COVID vaccine came with a lot of new technology, and with new technology is a lot of controversy, right? And so what I tell people is just kind of stop, pause for a second, think back to 2018, 2019. This is the same technology we've always had. It's worthwhile. Influenza can be problematic, and this can save you some grief down the line.
If you're interested in getting vaccinated, you can get your flu shot at your local pharmacy or primary care doctor's office. Reporting in Savannah, Ethan Stam, WTOC News.
Well, taking a look at the recent flu numbers for South Carolina. According to the Department of Health, there have been 5 flu-related deaths so far this flu season. More than 360 patients have been hospitalized in the state. This data is from the week of November 19th through the 25th.
Well, let's take a